Good morning, everyone. I just got down from the bus. I was about to miss the stop. So we are in Janakpur, and this is probably Ramanand Chowk, I guess, named after the saint. Where we are heading is towards Janki Mandir. I would need to shower. It's been 2 days, so I need to first find a place to shower. Let's see if we get one, and then after this we need to visit the temple and Janak Maharaj Palace. So let's see where it is. Okay, here is where it says Janaki Temple, Ramanand Chowk, Janaki Mandir, and what is it? 0 Mile. 0 Mile. It's 5:28 a.m. This morning. Already there is dawn. The light is breaking. Perhaps because we are in Nepal, it's a bit early, like 15 minutes earlier than what would have happened in India. So since this is also towards the east. Okay, and this is Ramanand Chowk, Hospital Road, Janakpur Dham. This is how the road looks like. It's 5:28 a.m. and the shops are still closed. This is the road for going to Janaki Mandir. Let's keep walking and then we'll figure out if there is something that we can latch around to freshen up. After Ayodhya visit in February, this seems like a reasonable next step to do, to find Ma Sita's birthplace and have a darshan. So it all just happens in the flow. Never planned it elaborately to be here and do visit, but it's happening. This is a small pond. Usually the temples will be adjoined by this one or the other similar pond. We are still taking. We are probably a few steps away from the temple. I could hear the devotional songs being played. This is perhaps very close to where we would need to visit. Okay, there we go. I could get a glimpse of the temple. I think there's a temple. Able to get a view of it. Oh, it looks beautiful. Much better than what I saw on the pictures. This is how the mandir looks like. I hope to get some guest house checked in. But this is how the mandir looks like. This is Janaki Mandir. This is the place where Sri Ram and Ma Janaki were married. I came to one of the guest houses and they said they don't have any rooms available. I'd need to try in some other place for showering. There's one more hotel, Rama Inn, but that's also closed. This has been the case almost everywhere that I go. All the shops are closed yet, so unable to find a place to freshen up. ठीक है, कितना होता है?
आपका 600 रुपया इंडियन मनी लगेगा, सारा घुमा देंगे।
600
जी। 2 आदमी भी रहेगा तो उतना ही, 3 भी रहेगा उतना ही।
सिर्फ मैं अकेला हूँ, इसके लिए
पैकेज वही है। गंगा सागर में स्नान कर देंगे, जहाँ गौरी पूजन माता के वहीं पर टॉयलेट है, फ्रेश व्रेश हो जाइएगा। अब वहीं से दर्शन शुरू कर देंगे। ये खुलेगा 8:30 में। लास्ट में यहाँ पर लाएंगे आपको। अच्छा। दर्शन करा के पटना वाला गाड़ी छोड़ देंगे। 2-4 मंदिर है कि लेट से खुलता है और सारा सुबह ही खुल जाता है।
वो कितने बजे खुलता है?
ये 8 बजे खुलेगा।
8 बजे क्या? अच्छा।
ये संकट मोचन है, प्राचीन जो सीता माता के लिए स्थापित किए, घुमाइए ना ये। ये वाला यहीं पर रंगभूमि मैदान है जो भगवान धनुष तोड़े थे।
अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा।
आए तो सारा घूम लीजिए, मोहतान मंदिर में फोटो खींच लीजिए बाद में।
So this is the road to Ganga Sagar. Looks like they performed few rituals before the marriage Ganga Sagar. Let's head there. Warm welcome to Janakpur Dham, the capital of ancient Mithila king Rajarshi Janak, the birthplace of Sita Ma, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, Nepal. So this is Ganga Sagar. This is a small pond. Early in the morning, this is the view that we are getting. Given that I have not been able to find any rooms which would allow me for a few hours, I had to finally bathe at this pond, Ganga Sagar. The much needed shower is finally completed in this holy pond. Now after this, let's go to the temple and we'll have a darshan of Sita Ma and Ramji. We are starting our journey in Janakpur Dham with Ram Mandir. So it's a beautiful and ancient temple where it's the temple dedicated to Ram in pagoda style, very similar to Pashupatinath temple of Kathmandu. Let's go inside and see how this beautiful temple looks like. This is the entrance of the temple. A lot of vendors selling, and then it says Sri Ram Mandir. Let's get in. Temple here, and then this is the other view of the temple. Since Ram Navami just happened, you could still see some of the celebrations on. A lot of sadhus here. We're going around the temple. This is how it looks. We have this majestic hurling flag here, which is hoisted here, and we are going just towards the temple. So looks like most of the temples are going to be open only around 8 a.m. A bit later than what I expected. It's open, but you'd not be able to have darshan of the gods, right? So for that, I think we would need to wait till 8. Which is still fine. I guess we are at 7 a.m. now, and another 2 hours. We should another hour, and we should be able to get darshan. And after that, we'll start to a place called Bitamor. That's what people are saying that I would need to go if I have to go to Patna. So we'll go to bus stand, take a bus to Bitamor. That's the border town, and you need to cross the border to enter India. We have again entered the Janaki Mata complex. So this is the Janaki Mandir. We'll go around, and after this have the darshan of the god, and we will head towards Patna. So this is the Vivah Mandir where Sri Ram and Sita got married. Looks like the entry fee is 10 Nepali currency. So I have paying 10 rupees. So either you could pay Nepali 10 rupees or Indian 7 rupees. And let's enter after giving it to this gentleman who's keeping the gate. Okay, he took over the ticket. Let's enter. Mintum photo tayar garich. I don't know what it means. You're not supposed to take photo? Not sure. Or you're supposed to take photo. This is how it looks. We're entering the Vivah Mandir. So let's get inside and see how the auspicious occasion of their marriage happened, the place where it happened. Right, let's get inside and see. There's a beautiful garden adjoining it, and this is very next to Janaki Mandir. In fact, in the same temple complex, you just need to pay 10 rupees, 10 Nepali rupees to enter in. This is the rebuilt Vivah Mandir. This is where you see the idols of Lord Rama and Ma Sita to be kept when they were getting married. We'll go around the Vivah Mandir. You'll be able to see that the idols are kept here. We'll go around. A lot of cattle. Looks like they are protecting the cattle here. This is around the temple. You have a good garden here. And we'll be going around. This is the Vivah Mandir. You have Ram and Sita idols here. On Sita's side, you see their family members, and there are some names written like Chandrakalaji and Charushila. And on this side, you have Ram's family, Sri Ram's family, probably Dasharath Maharaja. Beautiful. So when you look at this, this is also pagoda style architecture. I feel Nepal is in the intersection of whatever the Indian architecture is and the Chinese architecture is. There's a lot of influence, probably from the Buddhist temples. I believe that might be the case here as well. You see most of the temples in pagoda style, and this is what we saw in Kathmandu as well, and something similar here. And Ram Mandir that we saw previously is also of a very similar pagoda style architecture. And this is where we do have Janaki Mandir just behind. So there's the cultural museum, and looks like Indian rupees 10 and Nepali currency 15. Got a ticket. I paid Indian rupees by the way, and we are entering. There's the entrance. Let's get in. To climb a flight of stairs. It says Tulsi Das ji Dwara Ramayana Vachit. So Tulsi Das who wrote Ramayana. This is where when flowing, Janaki Mata was found. So this is Ma Sita or Janaki. This is when Janaki Mata was growing up. Making her sleep. So this is a cultural museum that we have been to. And it says Pushpa Vatika. Looks like it might be the garden. This is Pushpa Vatika. Where Ram and Sita perhaps met. This is Dhanush Mahayagna. So where Lord Rama this is Sita Ram Vivah. You could see the animation where Ram and Sita are taking the relation of the fire. is how the temple complex looks like. So having seen this, I think now we are close to 8 a.m. We'll go there inside, inside the temple, have darshan and start to Patna. This is Mithila Kala, Mithila art. A lot of portraits here around. Fortunate to be around where Sita Ma grew up in this very place. More here. These are all the animations that were kept. It says Tal Jane Bato. Not sure what it is. I'll leave my bag here. It's too heavy to carry around. So you have to come the same way. Up. What are these? Sri Janaki Ji ki Prachina Mukut. This was the crown of Sita Ma. This is Janaki Ji ki Chandrika. Janaki Ji ko Vivaha Sarkaram ka Mukut. These were the ornaments worn during the marriage. You have art form. This is the dress. The various dresses are shown here. Owned by Mata. The crown and this is Saligram Sabalak Mandir. Sitaram Mahayajna. Back on the same way where we came in the morning. We'll go to the bus stand and try to find a bus close to the border. So this is a bus which directly goes to Patna from Janakpur. And seems like that's a better option for us. This is run by Bihar Road Transportation Corporation and it says Patna to Janakpur, Nepal bus seva. There's something called Sattu that they are preparing. Let's see how it is. This is how they prepare Sattu. And this is Chana dal, gram flour. And they are mixing it with water. Off we go from Nepal to India. It was a good darshan today. Got a bus ticket. Now heading back to India. One thing that I noticed is they have hyped up a little on the bus. It says deluxe and AC bus, but yeah, this doesn't seem to be either air conditioned or deluxe. I wish they made it a little more premium. Here starts the bus journey. It's 9:40 a.m. They're saying that they'll be reaching Patna by 3:34. So only 6 hours of journey. This is the border I believe. This seems to be the border. I don't think there is going to be a stamping, given that it's a very porous border. This is the border. I think we just crossed the border. That's what I believe. There's nothing that is significant here. Came to check. Here's Reach Bose. It says 0 mileage. Whenever there is line of trucks, they might be waiting to get closing. Somewhere further, I see okay, the conductor told us to get down, take our ID cards, get out, and then again get in after that. So I think we will need to do the border check and then go on the other side. Okay, I got my bags and we are getting down. We need to go there and try to get the IDs checked. Let's get down. Seems like the ID card would be checked right now. It says Indian Customs, welcome to India. So let's go from here. So just got my baggage screened. The bus that we came in is still behind. I need to wait for the bus. This is the customs border. I think they would be coming this way. We need to wait for the bus to arrive. Likely. This is a normal SSP checkpost, Shastra Seema Bal, and you need to either pay customs duty, probably if you're exceeding permitted value. There was nothing inside, so they asked us to scan our bags and then come back into the bus. This might be the toll gate. Tamari police station. This might be the border. The Indian side. The pace of the bus has picked up once India border reached, and I should really appreciate. I could see a stark difference between the roads in India versus Nepal. There the infrastructure still needs to evolve. Here, even in the rural areas, there's a lot of good roads, and this is a highway that we are going. Definitely, I know it's better. Finally, we have reached Patna. I'll get down at Patna Junction. It's 3:15ish, so by the time we get on it might be 3:30. Finally we have reached somehow. It's very hot and I don't know, I don't want to get roasted. I'll rather take a train than a bus to Patna campus. We reached Patna Junction going to be an adventure to reach the campus. There are a couple of buses that people are telling me. I'll need to figure that out. Let me see what comes in. I couldn't find any local buses yet, so if not, I'll take a train to Beta. Figured out that the bus 888 AC goes to IIT Beta, and I have taken it. I think it must be about an hour. There's a lot of construction work going on, so they have rerouted the buses. There's no stop opposite Patna Junction. I had to walk a bit to go to GPO and then start from there. Finally entered IIT Patna campus, and let's go inside and check it out.